Did you know 0.5 and 1 over 2 are actually the same thing? Imagine you have a chocolate bar divided into 10 equal pieces. If you eat one piece, that is 1 out of 10, which we also call 0.1. If you eat 5 pieces, that is 5 out of 10, which is also 0.5. Same chocolate, same amount, different way to say it. When you see a fraction like 3 over 4, think division. When you see a decimal like 0.75, think parts of 100. Here is the important math rule. A fraction always means division. The top number is divided by the bottom number. Let us solve 1 over 2 step by step. This means 1 divided by 2. Now check this. Is 1 bigger than 2? No. So we cannot divide directly. Here comes a smart trick. When the top number is smaller, we add a 0 and place a decimal point in the answer. Now we divide 10 by 2. 2 times 5 equals 10, so we write 5. So the answer is 0.5. This makes sense because it is exactly half. Now let us solve 3 over 4. This means 3 divided by 4. 3 is smaller than 4, so again we add a 0 and place a decimal point. Now divide 30 by 4. 4 times 7 equals 28, so we write 7. 2 is left. Bring another 0. Now divide 20 by 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. So the answer is 0.75. Now let us go the other way. A decimal shows parts of 10, 100, or 1000. 0.6 means 6 out of 10. So we write 6 over 10. Now we simplify. If both numbers are even, divide both by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the answer is 3 over 5. 0.25 means 25 out of 100. Both numbers can be divided by 25. This gives 1 over 4. Remember these smart tricks. Fraction means division. Decimal means parts of 10, 100, or 1000. Always ask, does my answer make sense? 1 over 2 should be half, so 0.5 is correct. Now you try. Convert 1 over 4, 0.8, 2 over 5, and 0.5. Here are the answers. 0.25, 4 over 5, 0.4, and 1 over 2. Train your brain like this. When you see 0.75, think 75 over 100, then simplify. Fractions and decimals are just two ways to show the same amount.